My name is Nozipho Dlamini. I'm the Chief Insurance Officer for Finsure Assurance. Finsure Assurance is a insurance company in Eswatini. I'll speak briefly about who Finsure is and just one of the products that we offer. So Finsure is a life insurance company. We are focusing on long-term insurance. Our vision as an insurer is to be the most trusted insurer in the country, especially because insurance goes with trust. So it goes without saying that we want to be the most trusted, and we want to provide financial security into your future. We want your future to be secure financially. So our mission is just to help you as our clients to manage your risk through efficient insurance. So we give you efficient insurance to ensure that your risk is managed accordingly. Now moving into what we offer as Finsure. Today I'll speak about our credit life offering, because we predominantly offer credit life. So what credit life is a type of insurance that is taken against a loan. So credit life says, if you have a loan with any financing institution, in the event that you pass away, then we come in as the insurer to pay off that loan for you. So that, and how does this help? It helps in the sense that for the financing or the lending institution, they then don't need to go into your estate to say this particular person owed us so much. We come in as the insurer and settle that debt. Credit life also assists your surviving family members, because when you pass away, say for example, you had a housing loan, then when you pass away, your surviving family members are left with the burden to say, who will continue paying for this house? And if we are unable to continue paying for this house, the bank or the financing institution will come back and repossess the house. So we don't want them to have that stress. So then credit life comes in to say, should you pass away, we come in and pay off that loan. So your surviving family members can actually stay comfortably in the property that you procured, because you also insured it. So we came in to pay it off. So as Finsure, how do we differ from other insurers? Because other insurers will also offer credit life. First and foremost, we are part of FinCorp. So what then this means for us is that our primary mandate is development finance. As you will know that for FinCorp, the primary mandate is development finance in the country. So we come in to develop the sector that we operate in. We are not just coming in the country to reap profits, but our fundamental or underlying prerogative is to develop. So we want to develop the sector. Also, how we differ and how we develop. We come in to say our pricing shall be specific to the country. We cannot overprice. We cannot overburden the customer. So we come in at a very low pricing relative to others. And this is just to ensure that as we develop you in the country, you are not overburdened with the cost of insurance. So we come in at low pricing. What we also then do, we make sure that with our products, we offer added benefits. For example, with our credit life, we have the added benefit of funeral cover. We understand that the person has passed away, we are going to pay off that loan. But we come in to say, here's an additional 10,000 that you can use for funeral cover. We are saying you are not paying for that, but you've lost your loved one, so this should go towards the burial. So it's an added benefit because we understand the needs that are there within the country. As Finsure, we also understand the reality in the country, which says you find that people have retired, but they continue to work. And this is through appointments or extended contracts or whatever the reason, but sometimes it's also because of need. They still have a financial need, so they continue to work post-retirement. And because they are working, they are then eligible for loans. Now, if that person is still eligible for a loan, it means that person still needs to be covered for credit life. So we as Finsure understand those dynamics that exist in the country. We are then saying we are able to continue providing credit life cover for pensioners or people who are above the retirement age. As long as that person is eligible for a loan, we are able to continue providing cover. And this assists the financing institutions to be able to continue providing their services without really worrying how will then this person be covered. So we continue to provide cover, and we continue to provide the security for the surviving members to say, even if our parent was already retired and had this loan is still covered. So as Finsure, we are here to develop the industry that we are operating in. Thank you.